Have you ever felt trapped by creaky joints and endless aches, wondering if youthfulness has slipped through your fingers? What if the secret to reclaiming vibrant energy wasn't a pill, but the power of purposeful movement? Today, you're about to unlock 30 game-changing exercises designed for anyone over 40, 50, or 60, each one low impact yet high reward. Watch these routines and weave them into your daily life, and you'll experience a transformation so profound it feels like magic. Stronger muscles, sharper balance, and a spring in your step you thought was lost forever. Best of all, you won't need to hunt through endless tutorials or follow a dozen different channels. This one video gives you everything you need. No gimmicks, no magic. Just 30 simple, proven moves that put the spark back in your step. Let's rewrite the story of aging together. Number 1. Light cardio. Over the years, cardiovascular health becomes even more crucial. Cardio exercises like walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing are excellent ways to boost heart function, reduce the risk of disease, and elevate mood, all without putting unnecessary strain on your joints. Why it matters? Light cardio increases blood flow, improves lung capacity, and strengthens your heart muscles. For people over 40, it's also essential for managing weight and energy levels. Take brisk 20 to 30-minute walks. Use the stairs instead of elevators. Go for short evening cycles. Dance to your favorite playlist. Cardio doesn't mean exhausting workouts. It means consistent, gentle movement that keeps you alive, alert, and active. Number 2. Scapular retractions. As we age, rounded shoulders and tech neck pull your upper back forward. Scapular retractions strengthen the muscles between your shoulder blades, improving posture and reducing neck and shoulder pain. How to do it? Stand or sit tall with arms relaxed at your sides. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Imagine pinching a pencil between them without shrugging or lifting your shoulders. Hold the squeeze for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Repeat for 12 to 15 reps. Why it's a hidden gem? It activates mid-back for better posture. It counters forward rounded shoulders from desk work and improves shoulder stability for everyday lifting and reaching. Number 3. Plank. The plank is a full-body strengthener disguised as a core exercise. It targets your abdominals, shoulders, glutes, and legs, enhancing posture and balance, both critical for staying independent as you age. Why it's powerful? It builds a stable core, prevents lower back injuries, and enhances balance and fall resistance. Start with 20 seconds and gradually build up your endurance. Number 4. Dead bug. The dead bug is a smart, low-impact way to train your core and coordination without straining your back. It improves neuromuscular control and spinal stability, especially important as your reflexes slow with age. How to do it? Lie on your back, arms up, knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly extend one leg and the opposite arm, then return and switch sides. Why it works? It trains balance and cross-body coordination. It builds deep abdominal strength and reduces chances of injury in everyday movement. It's perfect for improving the core's endurance and function without any jumping or strain. Number 5. Modified push-ups. Traditional push-ups can be tough if you haven't worked out in years. Modified push-ups on the knees make it easier while still activating your chest, shoulders, and triceps effectively. How to do it? Knees on the floor, hands wider than shoulders, lower your chest down with control, keeping your hips aligned with your torso. Real-world strength? Lifting groceries, pushing furniture, carrying objects overhead. You can build up to full push-ups gradually as your strength increases. Number 6. Hip bridge. While similar to glute bridges, the hip bridge puts more emphasis on improving hip mobility, pelvic stability, and lower back function. How to do it? Lie down with knees bent, feet flat, lift hips off the floor, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees, squeeze and hold, then lower. Why it's essential? It counters the effects of sitting all day, reduces lower back tension, and improves flexibility in hips and spine. Over time, progress to single leg bridges or weighted bridges for extra challenge. Number 7, dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretches prepare your joints and muscles for movement, unlike static stretches, which you hold. These are especially helpful for warm-ups or reducing stiffness after long periods of sitting. Examples: leg swings, forward and back, arm circles, torso twists, lunges with a twist. Why it works? It loosens joints, boosts circulation, and prevents injury. Incorporate a 5-minute dynamic stretch routine daily, especially before workouts. Number 8, spine and hip mobility. Stiff spines and tight hips are the root of many aging-related mobility problems. These mobility exercises keep you flexible and pain-free. Exercise 1, trunk rotation. Sit with legs extended, rotate your torso side to side gently. Exercise 2, hip flexor stretch. Kneel with one foot forward, lean into the front leg until you feel the stretch in your hip. Why it's crucial? It prevents back pain, improves walking mechanics, and makes sitting and standing easier. Mobility work now means less pain and more freedom later. Number 9, quadruped hip circles. Hip stiffness can limit walking, bending, and balance. Quadruped hip circles gently lubricate the hip joint through full range while also engaging your core and lower back. How to do it? Begin on hands and knees, spine neutral. Keep your knee bent at 90 degrees and lift one leg slightly off the ground. Then slowly draw large circles with your knee, 5 in each direction, keeping your torso as still as possible. Switch to the other leg and repeat. Why it's a hidden gem? It improves hip joint range of motion in all directions, strengthens core and lower back stabilizers, and enhances balance by teaching controlled, multiplanar movement. Number 10, squat. It's the ultimate functional lower body movement, vital for preserving independence as you age. How to do it? Feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting on a chair. Keep chest upright and knees aligned. Why it's unmatched? It strengthens legs and glutes, improves balance and coordination. It makes sitting, lifting, and walking safer. Use a chair behind you for support if you're just starting out. Add dumbbells for progression later. Number 11, wall angels. As we age, our posture often suffers due to tight chest muscles and weak upper back. Wall angels improve shoulder mobility, strengthen postural muscles, and open up your chest, perfect for those with rounded shoulders or neck pain. How to do it? Stand with your back flat against a wall. Bring your arms up into a goalpost position with elbows bent at 90 degrees. Slowly move your arms up and down like you're making a snow angel, keeping arms and back in contact with the wall. Why it's important? It corrects hunched posture, improves shoulder range of motion, and reduces the risk of shoulder injuries. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. It's gentle but extremely effective. Number 12, seated marching. For those who struggle with standing cardio, seated marching is a low-impact, safe way to raise the heart rate, improve circulation, and build lower body endurance. How to do it? Sit upright in a sturdy chair. Lift one knee at a time as if you're marching. Swing your arms lightly as well. Why seniors love it? It boosts heart health, increases leg strength, and improves blood flow and coordination. Start with 1 to 2 minutes and gradually increase. Number 13, toe and heel raises. Falls become a serious concern after 60. Toe and heel raises strengthen the ankles, calves, and shin muscles, which are essential for balance and fall prevention. How to do it? Stand near a wall or chair for support. Raise your heels to stand on your toes, then slowly lower. Next, lift your toes while your heels stay grounded. Repeat. Do 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps each. Can be done daily.
Number 14, cat-cow stretch. Back stiffness is common after 40, and even more so beyond 60. Cat-cow is a gentle yoga-inspired exercise that improves spinal flexibility, relieves back pain, and helps mobility. How to do it? On hands and knees, inhale as you arch your back, cow, lifting your head and tailbone. Exhale as you round your spine, cat, tucking your chin. Flow between both positions slowly. Why it helps: increases spine mobility, reduces tension in back muscles, promotes better posture and breathing. Great as a morning or pre-bed stretch. Number 15. Sit to stand. This exercise is a direct test of functional strength, your ability to stand up from a seated position. It strengthens quads, glutes, and core, and is vital for daily independence. How to do it: sit in a sturdy chair with feet hip-width apart. Cross arms or keep them in front of you. Stand up fully, then slowly sit back down with control. Avoid using hands if possible. Why it's essential: boosts lower body strength, enhances balance and coordination, prevents dependence on others for simple tasks. Start with 10 reps and do this every day for visible improvement. Number 16. Bird dog. As we age, core stability and balance become more important than ever. The bird dog is a fantastic full-body movement that targets the core, glutes, lower back, and improves neuromuscular coordination. How to do it: get on your hands and knees, extend one arm forward and the opposite leg backward. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then return and switch sides. Why it's unique and powerful: builds cross-body coordination, strengthens spine-supporting muscles, improves balance to prevent falls. It's gentle yet intelligent movement, ideal for older adults wanting to stay agile. Number 17. Wall sit. Want to build strong legs without moving? The wall sit is an isometric exercise that strengthens quads, glutes, and core while minimizing joint stress, perfect for seniors who want to maintain leg strength without high impact. How to do it: lean your back against a wall, slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle or slightly higher for beginners, and hold the position. Why it's special: it builds muscular endurance, trains mental focus and breathing control, helps with stair climbing and prolonged standing. Start with 20 seconds and work your way up. It's more challenging than it looks. Number 18. Shoulder taps. Shoulder taps are a variation of the plank that improves shoulder stability, core control, and coordination, but without requiring fast or high-impact movements. How to do it: start in a high plank or kneeling plank. Lift one hand and gently tap the opposite shoulder while keeping your hips as still as possible. Alternate sides. Why it works: enhances body control, builds shoulder strength, keeps your balance reflexes sharp. You can do this against a wall or countertop if a floor version is too intense. Number 19. Standing side leg raises. Weak hip abductors are a hidden cause of instability, falls, and joint pain in older adults. This simple exercise builds hip strength and enhances your walking mechanics. How to do it: stand near a wall or chair. Slowly raise one leg sideways while keeping the body upright. Lower it down with control. Repeat on the other side. Why it's underrated: it strengthens outer hips and thighs, improves balance and walking stride, reduces pressure on knees and back. Aim for 12 to 15 reps per side, and add an ankle weight once you're stronger. Number 20. Chest opener with towel. Years of hunching over screens and desks leads to rounded shoulders, shallow breathing, and tight chest muscles. This simple stretch opens up the chest and improves posture and lung capacity. How to do it: hold a towel or resistance band behind your back with both hands. Gently pull it upward and open your chest while keeping your shoulders down. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Why it's a hidden gem: reverses poor posture, increases lung expansion, relieves neck and shoulder tension. It's incredibly refreshing, especially for seniors who spend long hours sitting.
Number 21. Side plank. Strong obliques and lateral stability protect your spine and improve balance as you age. How to do it: lie on one side with your forearm on the floor, elbow under shoulder, knees bent. Lift your hips off the ground, forming a straight line from head to knees. Hold 10 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. Why it's a hidden gem: it targets side core muscles, improves lateral balance and spinal stability, and it puts minimal strain on wrists and lower back.
Number 22. Ankle alphabet. Ankle stiffness can lead to trips and poor circulation. Tracing the alphabet with your foot unlocks full range of motion. How to do it? Sit comfortably with one leg extended. Using your big toe as a pen, slowly trace each letter A through Z in the air. Repeat with the other foot. Why it's a hidden gem? It enhances ankle mobility in all directions, boosts blood flow to lower legs and feet, and it's a simple, low-effort way to prevent stiffness.
Number 23. Doorway chest stretch. Decades of forward-leaning posture can tighten chest muscles and restrict breathing. This simple stretch realigns your upper body and opens your lungs. How to do it? Stand in a doorway with your arms bent and hands against the doorframe. Step 1 foot forward and gently lean in until you feel a stretch in your chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Number 24. Clamshell. Weak hip abductors contribute to knee pain and unstable gait. The clamshell builds outer hip strength with minimal impact. How to do it? Lie on your side with hips and knees bent, feet together. Keeping feet touching, lift the top knee as high as you can without rotating your pelvis. Lower slowly. Repeat 12 to 15 reps per side. Why it's a hidden gem? Strengthens glute medius and outer hips. Improves walking mechanics and pelvic alignment. Reduces knee and lower back strain.
Number 25. Pelvic tilts. Pelvic mobility tends to decrease with age, leading to back stiffness. This small move eases lower back tension and supports spinal health. How to do it? Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Flatten your lower back against the floor by tightening your core and tilting your pelvis slightly upward. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 12 times. Why it's a hidden gem? It reduces lower back pain, activates core muscles, and improves pelvic control. Number 26. Seated spinal twist. Perfect for improving spine flexibility and reducing stiffness in the lower back, especially helpful if you spend long hours sitting. How to do it? Sit upright on a sturdy chair with feet flat on the floor. Place your right hand on the back of the chair and your left hand on your thigh. Slowly twist your upper body to the right, looking over your shoulder. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then return to center. Repeat on the other side. Do 6 to 8 twists per side.
Number 27. Leg slides. As we age, joint stiffness becomes common. This smooth, low-impact move improves hip flexibility. How to do it? Lie on your back, slowly slide one heel toward your glutes, bending the knee, then slide it back out. Alternate sides for 10 to 15 reps each leg. Number 28. Overhead reach stretch. Reaching overhead becomes difficult with age due to tight shoulders. This stretch increases reach and range for daily tasks like grabbing items off shelves. How to do it? Sit or stand tall. Raise both arms overhead, interlock fingers, and gently stretch upward. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Number 29. Seated cat-cow stretch. Just like in yoga, this dynamic spinal stretch wakes up your back and core, all while staying seated. How to do it? Sit upright in a chair. Inhale and arch your back slightly, lifting your chest, cow. Exhale and round your spine, tucking your chin, cat. Repeat slowly for 5 to 10 rounds. Number 30. Finger flex and fist squeeze. How to do it? Stretch your fingers wide apart, then curl them into a gentle fist. Squeeze, then release. Repeat 10 to 15 times per hand. Why it's a hidden gem? It increases grip strength, relieves arthritis stiffness, and supports hand coordination. And there you have it. 30 simple, low-impact exercises to reclaim your strength, mobility, and confidence at any age. Remember, consistency is the real game changer. Weave these moves into your daily routine and you'll feel the magic results: more energy, less pain, and the freedom to live life on your terms. If you found this video helpful, hit like, drop a comment sharing your favorite exercise, and subscribe for more all-in-one workouts designed just for you.